Hello, best friends. Hello. I am here again with another mukbang. Take this off. Please do your best friend a favorite. Go ahead and hit that share, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when your best friend posts a new video. Y'all look at this. Who's here? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I got some king crab legs. How y'all doing, best friends? Listen, let's go ahead and say our grace, and let's go ahead and indulge. Please, God, bless some of this food as I eat. Please make this food be nutritious and healthy to my body. I'm thankful for this food. I give it a piece today, and then Jesus pray. Amen. Alright, that's these are the mega prawns. Mega prawns. This tastes like Don't own the rights to this music at all. So what I got is mac and prawns and crawfish and crab legs. Now this these crawfish got like seasoning on them already. So kind of like seasoning the shrimp as well. I'm at my niece's house, so it's a different setup. You look like that foul. Man. You see how you surprised me with the book? Surprise! You know what I oh yeah. Wait. Three. Baby boy. She fucking ticky. I ain't had a pussy in a minute. I told her when I get it, I'ma hit it. She told me that she wanted, I'll be there when I'm finished. Oh, girl, I'm on the way. I just left the club and I'm about to make a play. I'm on the way. About to be a story time. It was canceled. I'm gonna let y'all know about the story time. The audio books. Supposed to be doing the story time off of that. I'm gonna let y'all know more in detail about that or whatever. I'm gonna have you guys like pick out your story or what y'all want to talk about. It's called audio gonna be playing. It can relate and talk about stories and the situation. So I'll let y'all know more about that. I'm gonna give y'all a sample of it. be long. What did y'all have to eat? Comment down below. Let me know what y'all had to eat today. I hope it was something that you really wanted. I don't know if you can hear me loud enough.
Baby, I got that bomb. So this is the your mom. Yeah, I'm big. Cause I fuck you like I need you. But I kiss you like I miss you. Ooh, you got that jacuzzi. And I got that mix. So the boy is on me.
It's still warm in the bottom of it. Told y'all that I'm gonna be putting out videos for y'all. As long as I stay focused, y'all. It's a big one, y'all.
I hope you're in the room. Just leave the keys to the door. The same place you left them before. I'll be there out for you. Know what I came for. Oh baby, as soon as
Try to see if you can get it out.
we about to try every position. No, not play games. Tomorrow you gon' have to redo them braids. Cause I'ma sweat 'em out. Baby, spread 'em out. You know what to do with your legs. And I know what to do with this hair. Cause you got all of the right features. Baby, you're wet as the Caribbean beaches. I wanna dive over your sea. Girl, let me fuck you back to sleep. Just let me ride.
Y'all like crawfish?
Fuck you back to sleep, girl. Rock you all day, girl. Don't you
Y'all do put the crawfish emoji. The crawfish emoji. I think they got one. Not that. If they don't got one, put the shrimp one in. The shrimp is closer. Or the lobster. The lobster. One of those emojis that look like the crawfish. Ugh. I know I'm not supposed to be playing this music.
Who else gon' beat it like me? Keep spending nobody. Yeah, he was good, but really nice. Yeah, he let me shit it deep like all his life. Yeah, fell in love after only one night. Yeah, and then I ran off on that pussy's what? You always let me and I got this TikTok. Keep that good food on me, you loving this TikTok.
It's a big one.
Used to think that we was all the same.
It's a big one, yeah.
These other niggas lame. I'ma wake it up, you gotta kick better shit. I'ma break it up.
Love the season on this crawfish.
Got no picture, no host, cause I'm a real nigga.
Till 6 o'clock in the morning we was going in. Like shot, shot, shot. Hit it from the back on my end tops. But now I'm sober. So baby girl, turn over. To go down, something like a pop top. Tastes so sweet, I've been calling that pop tart. Won't you let me ride? You get some sweet, I'll try. Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
12 play game, gasoline in it, going crazy. I'm tweaking, get out that dope pussy every time we freak it. Baby, just let me ride, baby.
to your life.
Let's get it started on the sofa. Hot vibes, long strong love. Girl, I'm gonna put it on you. And I'm here to represent, girl. Leave you lying there shaking till you just can't take it. And I'm here to pull it down, girl. Let me work on you.
Ooh.
Gonna work on you.
Just let me ride.
Y'all.
Yes, girl. Don't say a word, no girl, don't you die. Just hold on tight to me, girl. I'll fuck you back, say girl, and rock you back. I won't get ain't sorry about the fuck you, say girl. I'm thinking I wanna so I
Yeah,
can
nah.
get a bit more you rock you back. Ain't sorry that I won't get ain't sorry about the fuck you, say girl. I'm thinking I wanna so I can get a little bit more your love.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oop. I ain't really saying much, y'all. Let's fill this back up. Ooh. Okay, damn. I could eat this stuff. It's like it's just popcorn. Ooh, it's spicy too. A lot of spice in it. I'm smearing my glasses. No, I don't try to get nothing out of these little bitty paws. Now, too tiny. It's bad enough to tell so tiny. Cheers, best friends. Cheers. So good. My niece cooked her some crab legs. Ooh. I took this down. Quite a bit.
I feel so freaky tonight,
This tail small right here, boy.
and I need someone to make me feel alright.
Alright, your best friend gonna get on out of here. Oh, let me eat the king crab leg real quick.
Lady, have no fear. I'm gonna fulfill your fantasies.
Ooh, this spicy, y'all. When you cook this, the spice make you cough like crazy, but while it's cooking.
Come on. Sexy, baby,
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna start eating. I'm gonna get to that third leg.
Yeah, one click, first drop.
come over here and let me take off your clothes. Things I wanna do to you, nobody has to know. Some baby, so lay your body right here, baby, have no fear, 'cause ecstasy.
Ooh, they played on the crab legs.
Oh, yeah. Any unexpected position. Bring it on. In a secret fantasy, baby, I'll fulfill as long as you set me next to me, baby, sex me,
They played me on the crab legs.
In the thunder and rain, staring into the eyes, I can feel your hand. And then I find out skirt around my waist. DJ walking my face, I can feel your lips. Just because people walking by are watching us, I don't give a damn what they think. I want you now. I don't wanna stop just because you feel so good inside of my love. I'm not gonna stop, no. I want you, all I wanna see. Anytime and any place I can move around.
Stop.
Anytime and any place I can move around.
What? You gonna ask me, is it good? Let's get into it now. Is that you done to me? Act in such a crazy way. Yeah. Do what you're doing. Oh,
I want to stay.
this off.
But my heart's not beating full time with all the loving on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do with the thought in here.
post a new video. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Just know that I love you. The sky's the limit.